Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn about the backbone. Do you know the backbone means what? Backbone is also called spine and its scientific name is called vertebral column. So what is backbone? So backbone, if you want to feel the backbone, so simply one thing you can do, you can use your fingers and just put the fingers back side or center of back. If we put our fingers at the center of the back of our body and move them up and down. So this is the center part. So here you can put your fingers and just roll the fingers from top to bottom at the center of your back. So you will feel some hard like structure and that is called your backbone. So this backbone is not a single bone, keep in mind. So this backbone is made up of many small bones. So these small bones are arranged one by one on each other and form a chain like structure. So this chain like structure called backbone. This backbone help us to bend down easily. Okay, this backbone support the head at the top side, and second thing, that is this backbone actually the neck region. So in this neck region, top of the top side or below the neck, below the head region, so whatever the neck region is there or this region, even here also we can feel some hard structure, that is backbone, and near about 7 small backbone makes the neck region. Okay, so actually 7 small vertebrae are present in this neck region. Okay students, now if you want to see the structure of our backbone, so backbone is nothing, backbone is hollow rod like structure. See here, you can see here, this is the structure of backbone. So this is a hollow long rod like structure running from neck to the hip region. Neck means from this region to the hip region. Okay, inside our body, the scientific name of backbone is vertebral column. First only I told you the scientific name. So you have to prepare all the names. Backbone is also called spine, or the scientific name of backbone is vertebral column. Okay. Now backbone forms the main supporting structure of the body, our skeleton. Backbone is not a single bone. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones placed one over other. See, so backbone is not a single bone. It is made up of many small bones called vertebrae, and near about 30. Total number of vertebrae are 33. So when these 33 vertebrae these 33 vertebrae are arranged one over the other. Okay, you can see here the vertebrae, these are arranged one over the others. Okay students, now between these vertebrae, okay, so between the various vertebrae of backbone, the disc like cartilage, means that is called the soft part. Okay, so you can see here, so disc like between these vertebrae, between the two vertebrae, the vertebrae are arranged like this. So between these two vertebrae, the soft part which is called the cartilage is present, and this cartilage or the soft bone, this disc like allow the vertebrae move slightly and enable the backbone to bend forward and backward. That is why this cartilage enable us to bend forward and backward side. Next part, that is our backbone supports the head at its top. So whatever, this is the complete structure of backbone. So this backbone supports the head at its top shoulder bones, ribs bones and hip bone are joined to the backbone. So these are the shoulder bones, these are the ribs and the hip bone. All these bones are joined to our backbone. Next, inside the spinal cord. Sorry, due to this, there is each vertebrae has hole in it. Each, whatever the vertebrae are there, that each vertebrae has hole. Okay, hole means actually, now suppose consider this is the one vertebra. Okay, so this one vertebra has the like this hole. Internally they are hollow, and all are arranged like this to form a tube-like structure or pipe-like structure. And this pipe, or through this pipe, our spinal cord passes. The spinal cord, that is called the main nerve from the brain, passes inside the hollow cavity of the backbone. So whenever, now after the forming this backbone, so internally you will get one hollow or empty space, and through that space our spinal cord passes. Backbone encloses and protects the spinal cord from the damage. Spinal cord is very delicate. Okay, so that spinal cord protected by the vertebrae. We can now, we will see the functions of backbone. So what are the functions of backbone? Why it is very important? So we will see the function. First function. See students, you have to prepare functions very properly. First function, backbone provides main support to the body. First function, backbone provides main supports to the body. Backbone supports the head at its top. Okay. Backbone attaches shoulder bones, ribs and hip bones. This already I told you. And last one, backbone protects the spinal cord. So these are the four functions of backbone. So you can prepare these four functions very nicely at home. Remaining part of this lesson we'll see in next class.